Hello.
January 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. What are the dates for?
Our Casablanca trunk show. So we're going to have a very large abundance of Casablanca gowns in. So you can come in, make your appointment, and try them on and find your perfect wedding gown.
What size of gowns do we carry?
2 to 30.
Perfect.
Or 6 to 30. I'm sorry, we don't carry size 2. 6 is the smallest.
Very good. And we've got an abundance of gowns coming in.
Yep.
So just in time for the newly engaged people.
Yes.
Isn't that a coincidence? So let's look at this gorgeous gown.
This is one of the gowns that's going to be in our trunk show. It's Casablanca. It has a modified sweetheart neckline. And then the band is an empire waist, and it's actually two-tone, so you can kind of see the little bit of a difference. And there's some gorgeous applique and beading on the bodice. You can see it kind of waterfalls down just a tiny, tiny bit to tie the bodice and the skirt together. And then we actually have some embroidered and beaded with some pearls on it right on the tulle. So it's one solid piece. It's just gorgeous, and that's just near the bottom of the skirt. So you can
now, what if you need to have
look.
What if you need to have this dress shortened or lengthened?
Well, they leave a little bit of room at the bottom, and Casablanca will actually do that for you, so you don't have to worry about disturbing the beading.
Right. They do a custom hollowed hem, and there's no charge.
They shorten it for free. If you need a little bit of length, it just depends. So, but it's not much.
But that way your beading is perfect, just as you see it right now.
They make dresses for a woman who's about 5'10", so most people need them shortened, which is free. Yay!
Okay, perfect. So Casablanca Trunk Show, January 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
And
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect timing for all you newly engaged people, or the people that will be.
Yep.
See you soon.